Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sahib, and this is my friend Muhammad.
Assalamu
Uh,
alaikum.
now we will be doing the video for the COA group project. So, an introduction. In response to the growing demand for enhanced computational capabilities, the advancement of computer technology has necessitated the continuous assessment of computer system performance. Consequently, benchmarking has emerged as an essential instrument for evaluating the effectiveness and efficiency of diverse hardware and software configurations. It is within this context that this initiative is conceived. Now, we aim from this project, or our study's primary objective is to accurately measure and analyze the performance of computer systems utilizing specific benchmark tools we will be showing later. These tools play a crucial role in providing a quantitative data that accurately represent the system's capabilities, particularly in terms of process power, memory, capacity, and disk read and write speeds. The results obtained from benchmarking tests will assist in determining the system's performance under varying conditions and workloads. So, for the objectives, this project encompasses a range of goals. So, these range of goals, now I will be stating them. Firstly, it aims to gain a comprehensive understanding of the interests associated with the chosen computer system requirements. This entails evaluating the capabilities of the CPU, GPU, RAM, and disk drive. Additionally, the research intends to delve into the characteristics of the benchmarking tools employed in order to provide a thorough understanding of the benchmarking process. Now we will go with the scope with my friend Mohammed.
The scope of this project will focus on single computer system with a specific hardware specification. We will analyze each component separately and in competition to gain comprehensive understanding of system performance. Additional, we will study the feature of the benchmarking tools and assess their efficiency in collecting performance data from the system. And now we'll start with the benchmark for device 2. We start with the CPU, which is Ryzen 7, and the core is 8, and the thread is 16. And we go to the RAM. The size is 16 gigabytes. Assalamu alaikum. We'll start now with the benchmark for device 1, and we start with the CPU. So first, my CPU is Ryzen 7 4800H with Radeon graphics. The technology is 7 nanometer with 8 core and 16 threads. And now with the RAM, the size of the RAM is 16 gigabyte with DDR4 type. Uh, the channels is dual and the cache latency 22. The graphic card is GeForce GTX 1650 Ti. And now we'll see the temperature for the CPU. Here is 70 now before doing the code. Now we'll start and we will run the code and we will see what the temperature will be. So basically this is the result. So we can see here the increase of the temperature like 6 degrees. Now we'll go to device 1, which is Suhaib.
Yes. So now I will be showing my device. So here I'm using the CPU-Z application. It's different than my friend. So my CPU is the Intel Core i5 10210U that has 4 cores and 8 threads, sorry, and it's running at 1.6 gigahertz. So here you can see the main board with the bus of PCI Express 3, and we have 8 GB DDR4 RAM dual channel with 19 CAS latency, and the laptop is running the NVIDIA GeForce MX 230 dedicated graphics card with 2 GB of size memory. Now I will do the bench of the CPU. Here, as you can see here, it got the 433 score and 2120 score for the multi-thread. Now I will run the code and compare the results here. And now I will run the program. As you can see here, the CPU utilization went up while the program was running, and then it went down again. So here are the results and everything. So as you saw in both benchmarks, in my opinion, this demonstrates that both devices had a decent performance benchmark scores. So I will start with the first device, which is Muhannad's device. So he was rocking the AMD Ryzen 7 4800H that has 8 cores. So that there has more cores than the other PC. He had 16 GBs of RAM and GTX 1650 Ti.
So Sohaib, what do you think it's better in terms of performance, device 1 or 2?
So the experience provided valuable insights into the performance characteristics of the two devices, highlighting the significance of hardware specification. Device 1 with its mid-tier specification, device 1, which is my device, with its mid-tier specification, proved sustainable for regular computing tasks, light gaming and multimedia editing. On the other hand, your device 2, equipped with higher end specification, exhibited superior performance for demanding activities such as high-end gaming and multimedia processing. The comparison between the two is important, and we have to consider the CPU, GPU and RAM. So your CPU has more cores, my CPU has less cores, yours has 8 and 16 threads, mine has 4 cores and 8 threads. Your GPU has 4 gigabyte of memory and it's the 1650 Ti, and mine is the MX 230 with 2 GB memory. You have 16 GB RAM and I have 8. So overall, the study emphasized the significance of hardware components and thermal performance, as well as the CPU efficiency. So these findings can assist consumers in making informed decisions when selecting the device based on their intended usage and performance requirement. And thank you for watching the video, and this is the end of our presentation and group video. Thank you for watching.